What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. As we all know, Oneplus is about to launch its new flagship device which is Oneplus 10 Pro. And today we have the wallpapers from the same device, and these are live wallpapers from Oneplus 10 Pro. So in this video, let's quickly take a look how to apply these wallpapers on any smartphones. And thank you so much guys for completing the like target of 400 likes on our previous video. Let's keep the same like target, and we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Right now these live wallpapers are in the format of MP4, so they won't be static after every animation. You have to compromise on that right now. My friend is already working on creating a APK file, so stay tuned for that. Once APKs are available, I'll provide you guys in the description below. Just download them as normal APK and install it on your device. That way you can apply the wallpapers by just going to the wallpaper section of your device. But right now we have to use an additional application called Live Wallpaper or Video Wallpaper APK. Video Wallpaper APK link can also be found in the description below, and you can also download the MP4 formats of these live wallpapers. So let me show you those live wallpapers now. So here we have the first live wallpaper, and the duration of this is 3 seconds. Name of this wallpaper is Volcanic Black. Tapping on the details of this wallpaper, the file size is around 17.2 MB. And these are not extracted by me, it was shared on our Telegram group. Huge thanks to my friend for sharing these files. So this is Volcanic Black. Then we have this white live wallpaper from Oneplus 10 Pro. And at last, this Emerald Forest. So currently we have only these 3 live wallpapers which you can apply it on any of your smartphones. You guys gonna see a new video if we get more live wallpapers or static wallpapers from Oneplus 10 series. Now talking about how to apply these live wallpapers on your device. So as said, you need to download an application called Video Wallpaper. Tapping on it, inside the application you'll get a first option which says start and end. So with this application you can apply any video wallpaper on your smartphones. So using this application, I'll select the wallpaper first. So here you can see I have these 3 live wallpapers. You just need to tap on the wallpaper and tap on this icon towards the right top corner. Select apply to home screen and lock screen, and there you go. So this wallpaper animation doesn't stop because it's in the format of .mp4. The same way you can apply other wallpapers too. But do not worry guys, and also by the time I finish uploading this video, there are possibilities we might get the APK file for these live wallpapers. Red Skull Hydra is already working on it, so soon he provides me the APK file. I'll update you guys about the same. Those are normal APK files, just tap on install and you'll have live wallpapers on your any smartphone. So guys, these are the 3 live wallpapers what we have currently from Oneplus 10 series. Right now you can apply them using Video Wallpaper application as it's in the MP4 format. So guys, this was the quick look on the Oneplus 10 Pro live wallpapers, and in the description you guys will also find huge collection of live wallpapers from devices like Samsung, MIUI and more. So make sure to check them out. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.